navigating language, understanding, run into a dead end. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often puzzles learners: run into a dead end. This expression is rich in imagery and has both literal and figurative meanings. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meanings but also know how to use it effectively in your conversations and writings. Let's get started. When we talk about running into a dead end, we're often picturing a situation where a road or path ends abruptly, leaving no further options to continue forward. Imagine you're driving in an unfamiliar neighborhood, and the street you're on doesn't lead anywhere else. That's a dead end. This literal sense is easy to visualize and helps set the stage for understanding the more abstract uses of the phrase. More commonly, you'll hear "run into a dead end" used in a figurative sense. In these cases, it describes a situation where someone cannot make any further progress in their task, project, or discussion. For example, if a scientist is researching a new theory but finds out there's no way to prove it, they've hit a dead end. Or, when a discussion between friends about planning a trip goes nowhere because they can't agree, they've run into a dead end. This expression vividly captures the frustration and lack of options in various scenarios. To help you master using this phrase, let's look at some examples. After months of investigation, the police ran into a dead end with no further leads to follow. I've been trying to solve this math problem for hours, but I've hit a dead end. Our negotiations with the suppliers have run into a dead end. It's time to explore other options. Notice how in each case, the phrase, "run into a dead end," clearly communicates that the speaker has encountered an insurmountable obstacle, making it a powerful tool in your language repertoire. Understanding and using the phrase, "run into a dead end," can add depth and clarity to your communication, whether you're describing a literal situation or a figurative challenge. We hope this video has illuminated this expression for you and that you feel more confident using it in your own English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and encountering phrases like this is all part of the adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.